I'm out here with the cicadas. I don't know if I recorded this or not, but listen to this. The 17, they loaded in this tree. I mean, they all over in this tree. Let me see if I can get some close-up shot. There you go. There you go. They all over. Look at that. Little ones. Let me get you, man. Come here. Come here. Come here. I ain't gonna hurt you. There you go. The cicada. The 17-year cicada. I let them go, y'all. I ain't hurt them. They all over. Oh, look at this. Look at that. If you like cicadas, this would be the tree to come get them. They on here like apples and cherries and berries. Hey, buddy, you gonna let me pick you up? Yay! You gonna let me pick you up? Yay! Is you shedding? Or is you a female? You might be a female. I'm gonna leave you alone. See the white tail? She got a white tail. All the rest of them got a black tail. I'm assuming this is the mom. They the eggs in there that she getting ready to lay. That's something, man. They falling on me. God, come on, buddy. You can get hurt that way. Look at them. Oh, loba. Cicadas. Anybody want cicada pie? Cicada pie. Yep. Listen to them making that noise. They singing. They are singing, baby. Pine must not be their kind, because it's a pine tree here, but I don't see no cicadas on it. Get him off. Where you at? Okay, where you at? Get him. Oh, he made noise too. I just seen one that was pregnant though. Yeah, the cicada, y'all, the cicada. Have a blessed one. Sing for me. Sing for me. Yay! Yay! Hey! I'm trying to see if they shut up. Hey! Hey! They ain't shutting up. Y'all have a blessed one out there. Wear the mask until it passes. Where my mask at? Oh, I got it. See y'all later. Peace out.